So we presented to the robotics class here at Marian Middle School. It's an all-girls school and they have a lot of extracurricular activities that maybe most schools don't have. Lauren and we presented to the class on kind of what Tally does for Schnucks and how it incorporates not only for our teammates but also into our customer lives.
They were pretty excited to see the robot roll into their classroom. They were all like, hey, it's Tally, and I think most, if not all of them, have probably seen a Tally before in one of the grocery stores that they have been to. You know, to see one in their class, I think was pretty exciting for them.
So this is the budding start of a community partnership with Schnucks. We have been televised a couple of times and throughout the week for our involvement in robotics as a school. We connected with Schnucks and they definitely had an interest in aligning what our mission is to expose girls to STEM careers and opportunities.
I think it's really, exciting that they brought us in here and that the girls themselves are working on their own robotics projects. One of them who maybe never even considered robotics if she hadn't gone to this school or seen a presentation. Maybe that was the thing that did it. And I think it's really important that, not only are there more women in the STEM field, but more women from more diverse backgrounds.
Young girls and young women know that it's a possibility to, be at that manager, director, VP level, or even own your own business and it be related to STEM is really empowering.
Well, a big thank you to Schnucks. It's so relevant to our students. How many of them already knew Tally before it came here? We don't always get those connections, and so this really makes the opportunity to be in STEM quite palpable for our students and makes what we're doing feel even more rewarding and possible.